Well, hello. Hello, is that better? Welcome back to the channel. I have a new film simulation to share with you upon this very day, 2 days after Christmas. Late Christmas present, I guess. Well, maybe it's a junky recipe. I don't know. Maybe it's a lump of coal. Anyway, if you aren't familiar with the channel, we've been making recipes for the Ricoh GR3, and exciting news, I'm actually going to be coming out with some new recipes for the Sigma FP. Not a lot of people out there using that camera or making film simulations for it, but some of those to come, so stay tuned. This new film simulation, I'm just going to call it Ricoh HDR Film Simulation. It is a little bit different than the other ones that I've made in the sense that it doesn't use the popular profiles like negative film, positive film, bleach bypass, whatever. It uses one that's a lot less popular called HDR tone. I literally just dropped my Ricoh on the floor. This is probably the first time I've ever dropped this camera, and of course it's while I'm sitting down in my house, not like on the street or anything. No, it's just I'm incapable of putting it down on the bed beside me. So I think I turned it on. It looks like it's still alive. So HDR tone is, as the name suggests, kind of a simulation of HDR. I don't actually know if there's any HDR going on. I suppose I could have looked that up, but I didn't. I think it's just supposed to give the look of HDR. And it does that pretty well from the HDR photos that I've seen and taken in the past. And it kind of reminds me of the trend a couple years ago where everyone was just adding a lot of clarity to their photos. It does have other qualities as well, but that's what it reminded me right off the bat. I kind of liked it. It was refreshing. It was different than negative film, positive film, the general simulations that I've been seeing online. So I hope you enjoy these sample photos. As always, the recipe is available for free on my website, and there's a link down in the description. And if you're interested, stay tuned to the channel and subscribe to the channel. More Ricoh recipes are going to be coming out. I have a New Year's resolution to put out a new recipe for one camera or another every week this year. So we'll see if I can stick to that. It depends on how busy I get, I guess, but that's my resolution. So subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on that bell notification so that you get notified when the new recipes come out. And as always, I'll try to keep it short and sweet. Enjoy the sample photos, and I'll talk to you later.